This guy called Sarkodie. And I'm ya no be the Sarkodie chi. Ghana phone ye Jimmy Tra. Nanka way ni followers in your free nechi or ya boy be on namuho. When a kuta champagne glass mu say Krasini. Criminal Sarkodie. Cromfo.
Ma papa no a ono free tema ho ba me fie be pacho e ma Kevin Taylor papa no. Ono di asem no ma ka kire Kevin Taylor. Who Kevin Taylor? A boy like you. Who Jimmy Fossa? Na mo tiri am say, "Eh we have MP. Don't talk like that." What the hell? Akwa Jimmy Fo wait you can kwasi asem. What the number of people I employ? Who are the other crowd to feed? Oh. Oba ne to duani ma odi Kevin Taylor. Oba to duani na broni na papa bia.
Broni fu bi so.
Broni reject.
You all have the girlfriends and your former prof fita.
But reject. And I work upon was a feed. And you want to compare yourself to me? Yeah. Say
attack musicians or attack Stonebwoy about the Stonebwoy tin baby why on it obia eh Sarkodie no attack just na dream yeduma I don't what very Stonebwoy ni Shatawale ni Sarkodie what very om for what dream mini be
Sarkodie so dia cause
I want Sarkodie atema
me what stars
say who Sarkodie ni Stonebwoy what very om
ya unim ohia
manipa kan kwahwase
ya ohia Kevin Taylor so obra anya oyi a papa na focho ne mamra Ghana ne ma wadwumanye
ano
because Kevin Taylor wadwuma oye die yes I'll take the guy on I'll get the best lawyers and make a draw bet me ahwo no wabusuafo nyina the money I have and you have money to sue you and pay the best lawyer in America. And I'll strip you naked.
You have to do that. You have to.
Because Sanso and no kind.
Strip him naked.
This time I'll take him more.
Yes.
Me ko America.
Yeah.
Fish him out.
Fish him out. And I'm kum JB.
Yes.
Me and I'm kum Ameswan.
Exactly.
I'll never forgive you.
Emphatically.
Yes.
Social media.
I'll strip this boy naked. What do you mean? Abuachina buasa mutima makwasia weki kansa fua momosi mu obi anka bi nkyere wa badam wo papa fie wa wo de aboa bi asi animo bram fie kurasi ni ase dompe na behwe fie ni patim aboa fun wo papa wonya wo bam fie pe wo bayi ni ntuma hu ni ntuma mu kan no de apepa me White House wo ya boa mosi obi ati bi ga bi nkyere no na munyara an idiot like that kwasi ampan wo so de awu nware ne hu kan obi okohia a na kwa wekura eni se aka because okasa ne hu tutu na nu
Ghana High Commission
oba
Ghana Commission so mu hu no that time Ghana High Commission osuso camera mu Ghana Ajebewa Ambassador Ajebewa Ghana High Commission akwa bi ne high no so camera mu ma everybody knows no so camera mu Ambassador Ajebewa
Bompaye so obetime
no koda boli ba na chini amane
kaka na why anyway when the number of people are employed in this country what bodam you know the mouth I feed in this country what bodam o papa kura usi ubunu o papa usi ubunu o papa hwe o papa picture na hwe picture say o papa wode me pa fool obi antimi kantra na atene Kevin Taylor beg abuachira buasa
impression B has been created
why prekoba complete wo prekoba ni wo
okay mami ya di ncho na hwe
what do you mean
impression B has been
what do you mean insan fu akwa no ni ewo
Oguga
social media why me the MP ti mama respond stupid boy
impression